Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint this painting I call Metal Mayhem Style. Alright, the question of the day is, who is Stan Prokopenko? Alright, let's run through the colors.
Mars Black, Titanium White, Quin Red, Quin Orange, Van Dyke Brown, Phthalo Blue, Turquoise, Phthalo Green, Quin Blue, Primary Yellow.
Alright, today we're going to do a painting in that style I call Metal Mayhem. Alright, for this painting we've laid in kind of this really rich blue and kind of a limey yellow that has a little bit of turquoise in it, so it's kind of forming that green. And it's just barely on there, so hopefully you have enough paint in this level. It does have a lot of high contrast, which I like, so we'll see. We're going to add in a yellow in here to kind of contrast this blue, as well as an orange to kind of tone that down. Alright, for this layer we kind of lighten it up with this really light yellow-white, as well as bringing this really red to kind of contrast all the blues and the greens. So we're going to get into that pop. We're going to bring in a little bit more of the blue and a little bit of that lime green to kind of pull this more together. So the question today is, who is Stan Prokopenko? Obviously he has a little unusual name. He usually shortens it to Proko for his last name. And he's a really good draftsman, illustrator. He's really good at the realism. Obviously a lot of drawing. If you look online on YouTube, he has a really good series on how to learn how to draw. He obviously does a paid version as well, and just really executes the model really quite well. And right now he's based in San Diego. He's met up a few times with Cesar Santos, who's in Miami, and they did a couple projects where I think they drew blindfolded, which is kind of hilarious because they just did such a terrible job. Just shows you how vision-based artists are. They can't do it without the vision, so it's really funny. It's eye-to-hand coordination, it's not just hand coordination, right? So that was a pretty funny spoof video, considering they're both really excellent draftsmen and can really execute realism in a figure quite well. But yeah, if you want to check out realism and learn how to draw realism, I would really suggest take his course online. Really quite great. I haven't taken it, but I mean, just his free stuff is excellent, so I can't imagine his pro stuff will be bad. And yeah, he's a really nice guy. I would say go check out his work. And that's Stan Prokopenko. Alright, we just finished. Let's take a closer look. So we get this really nice rich blue, which is really nice. I like the painting. It has this green kind of streaking through with a little bit of light layers coming through. Really rich blues at the bottom. This is a very chroma intensive painting, so it's going to be for someone that has very, very light walls and they just want a little pop of color on the wall. I think this will work really nicely. It just has a little bit of red just to kind of make that blue and yellow and green really stand out. So you just want a little bit of red to kind of make those pop, which I think this painting is very successful at doing. I like this style. It's very fun. I've done it quite a lot. It's pretty well developed, I would say, at this point. So hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see the full version, check my Patreon account. And if you want to subscribe below. I'll see you on the next painting video, guys. Thanks.